going to school, running errands, babysitting, blah blah blah, going out to dinner. Does this makeup even look good? Beautiful. Tim Hortons coffee highlighter. Let's do this. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering why I'm sitting in front of you so barefaced. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine with you. I would love to say that I can do this in like under 5 minutes, but I don't think that I can. This is kind of what I do every day, especially for school. I don't go to school full glam. Sometimes I like to, because you know, full glam makes you feel really great and just like owning the day. But for the most time, I just throw this concoction together and call it a day. So let's jump right into it. I have my wonderful Tim Hortons coffee. Shout out to Canada. I actually went through a stage where I hated it and now I love it. I drink coffee black and I don't know, I'm really liking it. I'm just gonna, I guess, just put my hair like this. I'm gonna start out by using my CC Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, and this is in the shade Light, and I apply this with my Morphe M439, and I just like to take one pump and kind of just dab it all over my skin and blend it in. And I have, I don't know if you can see this like scab on my eyebrow. And I really like this foundation for every day because it feels so nice on my skin. I don't use a primer on the days that I use this because it kind of has everything built into it, and that is it. Done. Then I have my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Fair, and where's my beauty blender? Okay, found my beauty blender and I found a clip, so I'm gonna do that. So with my concealer, I just like to take it in the inner corners like that, and that's all that I do for every day because I don't really like need too much except for under my eyes. Next, I go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in shade number 2 with this Y11 Morphe brush. I really like this. It's pointed at the top, so it gets really in there. So I just take a little bit of this, a little of that over my eyelids, my T-zone, and that's it. Moving on to eyebrows, I like to use my Precisely Brow by Benefit, and this is in the shade number 2, and I just have terrible eyebrows. So this is where the whole ride just slows down because I like to do them at least even. And then depending on the type of brow day, which today is just not a day, I will finish it with the Ka-Brow in also shade 2 just to help fill in any of the gaps. These brows are definitely sisters, but not twins. And that's pretty much what I do for my brows every day. Okay, moving on. I love this. This just brings so much life to my face. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. This is very, very pigmented, but I love it. But you have to use a very, very light hand with this. Now in the viewfinder, I'm a lot paler than I look in person. So it might not look like it does anything, but trust me, it does a lot. And I just like to take this all over my face and my neck. Warm up the skin. Now, on an everyday basis, I don't do like a heavy contour, but because I have such a round face, I really don't like going a day without at least creating some definition. And I've kind of minimized it to like a really quick routine. I use this MAC 159 SE brush that came in this like travel kit because it is kind of flat and it kind of sits right in the hollows of the cheeks nicely, and then I can quickly like blend it out. So I'm into my Tarteist Pro Glow To Go palette, and I take chisel and I just dab it in there, and I just can create the definition and kind of blend it out and up. And then down here as well. And that's it. Okay, moving on to blush. I'm still really loving my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in Rose. It's very broken, so I have to be very careful. I sadly dropped this on my bathroom floor. And I'm going to be using a Morphe Y5. I really like this as a blush brush, and I just kind of get right in there. And then I don't like to take blush all the way to my cheeks because it widens my face, so I just do this. Believe it or not, it is snowing outside my window right now, and we are in March. Okay, next thing I am moving on to is my new fave. It's the Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Really, really pretty. And I'm taking my favorite highlighting brush, Morphe Y14, and I am swirling it around. And this is beautiful. It's so wet looking. I mean, it's not like, if you're looking for an everyday natural highlighter, this is not the one. I don't know if you can see, but it really gives you a glow, which I love. And then I tip up my nose, here, and then here. Now, what I also like to do is take it on my eyelids to give it like a nice dewy kind of glow. And then I will take my little pinky finger and get in the inner corner and really brighten it up. And that is what I do for my eyeshadow. It's very like monochromatic, but for every day it's very easy and simple, and I really enjoy it. Second to last is mascara. I love this Bad Gal Bang. It really brings the whole look together and lengthens my eyelashes so that because I don't like to wear eyeliner every single day. So like, I don't know if you can see that, but that is like amazing. And then I'll just quickly do my bottom. Voila. And for lips, just for a quick gloss, I will take the Buxom Dolly, not even the lipstick, nothing, and I will just throw this on top to finish off this look. And this is my everyday going to school, running errands, babysitting, blah blah blah, going out to dinner, non-full glam look, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I will put all of the products that I used in the description box down below if you want to check them out, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time for another video. Bye!